Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The French business climate in manufacturing will be released at 6:45 GMT. The US existing home sales at 14 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Belgian Leading Indicator at 13 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Zoom Communications raised its annual revenue forecast, benefiting from hybrid work trends and the integration of artificial intelligence into its products. The company's shares rose 2% in extended trading. Oil prices settled lower after Oman's foreign minister said a fresh round of nuclear talks between Iran and the US would take place later this week. Prices had gained earlier in the session on a report that Israel is preparing to strike Iranian nuclear facilities. Bitcoin surged to a new all-time high after a temporary trade agreement between the United States and China eased macroeconomic fears and boosted investor confidence. Bitcoin set a new high of over $109,000 on May the 21st, rising more than 26% in the past month.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.